Ever wished your car could make every stop just a little smarter? Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today let's explore Maruti Suzuki's advanced features, the electric parking brake or EPB, which effortlessly engages and disengages the parking brakes, ensuring a seamless driving experience. VITARA comes with advanced technology that puts you in control, and unlike traditional handbrakes, the electric parking brake EPB gives you two modes of operation: manual, standard mode or automatic mode. Let's explore and understand how each modes function. In manual mode, you engage and disengage the electric parking brake with a simple touch. In auto mode, the EPB automatically engages when you stop and disengages when you start driving, providing added convenience and safety. Well, let's break it down for you. Manual standard mode gives you the satisfaction of control. Want to engage the parking brake? Just pull the switch. Need to release it? Press the brake pedal and push the switch. Simple, reliable, effective. For more convenience, automatic mode is the way to go. It's easy to activate. Just pull and hold the EPB switch while brake pedal is depressed and vehicle is stopped. A confirmation message appears in multi-information display MID. That's it. You've just upgraded to effortless convenience. And because safety always comes first, automatic mode ensures the parking brake releases only when your door is closed, your seat belt is fastened, and the shift dial is in drive or reverse position. In case you prefer going back to manual mode, just press and hold the EPB switch along with depressing brake pedal again until the deactivation message appears. The choice is always yours. With the electric parking brake, you get the best of both worlds: manual control when you want it, effortless automation when you need it. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay tuned, stay informed, see you next Friday.